Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set custom notification sounds for a specific email in Outlook. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that we are using the classic version of Outlook. Unfortunately, the new version of Outlook does not support the email notification sound. So if you're currently using the new version, make sure to switch back to the classic version first. You can do that by toggling this button right here on the upper right corner. As you can see, my new Outlook version is toggled to off. Once you've switched to Classic Outlook, you are good to go. Now, go to the top menu and look for the ribbon that says Rules right here. First, click on the email that we want to add rules on. For example, I am going to use Jenna Santos email. There we go. Highlight or click on it, then click on Create Rule. This is where Outlook lets you control what happens when specific emails arrive, including playing a custom sound. So inside the Create Rule window, choose how you want Outlook to detect the email. For example, setting this trigger when we receive email from Jenna Santos, emails sent to my email address on Outlook, then display it in the new item alert, and let's enable the play a selected sound. As you can hear it, that's the notification sound that my trigger will play. You can also browse for more notification sound. Let's say I would like to use ring number 6. See? Additionally, Outlook only supports .wav files like this one. So make sure your sound is in that format. So once you selected the sound file, click on play to make sure if this is the sound that you want to use. Then if you're good to go, press on the OK button to save the rule. And there we go, a prompt saying a success of adding the trigger, the rule Jenna Santos has been created. Press OK again. And to make sure everything works, send a test email that matches the rule that you created. For example, let's wait for the notification sound to arrive. And there we go. Just like that, once the email arrives, you should hear your custom notification sound instead of the default one. Just remember that this will only work on Classic Outlook. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.